how to buy PEPU, the Pepe Unchained token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now after that, make sure to check their X account. They have a big community there, as you can see. Now to be able to buy this token, it's by going and open it on CoinMarketCap. Now after that, go to contracts and copy the token address that came under the Ethereum network. Now we will be able to use the Biscuit wallet to be able to buy this token. Just go and your wallet. Now after that, from here, switch the network to Ethereum to be able to add this token and buy it after that. Now click on this little plus icon, as you can see. Now from here, just paste the token address. And after that, this is our token and click on plus. Now after that, go back to your wallet. Just go back. And after you find your token from here, just click on it and click on swap. Now after that, switch it to buy to make it to be able to buy it. So from here, just select the crypto that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitget wallet. Now from here, just type how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is how much you will receive, and after that, click on swap to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Pepe Unchained token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.